Hi everyone, Maxine here with Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. I thought I would do a little catch up with you to show you what I've been working on. It's a new journal and it is, the theme is it, the theme of it is bees for the most part. Yeah, bees. I found a new digital kit that just struck my creative juices, and so I'm off and running. So this is it so far. I haven't gotten very far with it. I used the cover of a scrapbook pad. The scrapbook pad was Tell the Bees, I think it was called. And the cover, I thought, well, I like that. So I used the cover and then I lined it with one of the papers that was in the scrapbook pad. And then I just added, a little tuck on the back and a pocket on the front, which is winged. I did a winged pocket, so you can get a little bit more in there. It's a small, let's see, the spine is about an inch wide here. I was only going to do one signature. And then this is the front, which I kind of like that. I'm not really sure if the bee theme is coming through or anything, but I thought that was cute. On the spine, when I sew in the signature, I am going to add these buttons to the signature string as I go along. So it's going to look something like that. So I think that's going to be fun. I did that one other time. Let me show you. I have it here. This one is a big one. And it has 3 signatures, but this is what I did before. It's going to be, somewhat like this, not the same. Of course, I'm just going to have one bead, in each section. But anyway, that's what I did with this one. And this is a pretty chunky one. That just grew. I don't know. Anyway, so that's kind of where I am right now. And the front of this is really cute. This is all attached, and this little tie opens up, and right now I have a journaling card in a pocket, and then there's this little hitch right here that holds that closed, and you bring that up, and then this opens, and I haven't done anything with that in there yet, but I will. And then it opens this way, and so far I have a pocket on the back, and then this is all glued down, and so is this tie. So anyway, that is where I am with that. Oh, that's not supposed to be over the thing, just keeping it closed. Okay, there we go. So there's that. And then we open it up, and I have my pages here for my signature. And so there's going to be quite a few pages. Oh boy, what did I count? I counted them. Now I don't remember. But, you know, there's going to be quite a few pages because it's just the one signature. So I have this digital kit that is bee inspired in amongst this just plain green paper that I'm going to be using. And all these were, you know, done on the back, a very light neutral color on the back. So, you know, it's good for writing and stuff. I think this would be okay for writing too. Isn't that pretty though? There's that one. Oops, I'm taking several with me there. That one, I really like these pages that have a combination of several elements to them. Beautiful flowers. I like the bright colors. There's the center. And then going to the back. That one's pretty. I like that. Are you seeing this? Am I in frame? Yes. Come here. That one. That's nice. And there we go. There's another one. I like this one with the flowers and the little writing. That's nice. I like that. And there's the back. So that is what I have so far. What my plan is. Oh, I guess I didn't tie that. I thought I did. There we go. So that's supposed to be tucked in. Anyway, there we go. So I am just in the process of, I'm making some journaling cards out of, well, this is out of the cover of the scrapbook pad. Those covers, by the way, are great to save and to use because it's very, you know, sturdy material. And yeah, it's very useful. Look at the back of that one. That's nice. Well, I didn't even plan that, but there we have it. You know, there's some more. I mean, you can tell that that's back of a, you know, back of something else. I'm not sure about leaving. Tell the Bees. That's what it's called. Tell the Bees. It's really pretty pad. I don't know if they're still available or not. I got that some years ago. I got a couple of them, and this was just what was left of the first one, and I believe I have a second one that's not been used, but I can't. I'm not totally for sure on that, whether anything's been used or not. So, yeah, so that's where I am right now. So next thing I'm going to do is tie in the signature and then start embellishing the pages. So, yeah, thanks for joining me today. I hope you check back to see the progress, and I will probably bring you along to do some of the page decoration and embellishments. But until the next time, take care of you, love each other, and I will see you again. Bye.